Hi everyone, my name is Jay Murphy from Trionia, and today we're going to talk about how to record HubSpot form conversions into GA4. And we're going to use Google Tag Manager to do that. There are already some great papers that are out there. There was a group called Three White Hats, that's now called Clarity, that did a great article on this. And then Analytics Mania, Julius, also wrote a great article about how to do this. What we're going to do is extend it today so that you can capture additional information from the forms, and we'll walk through how to do that. The first thing you're going to want to do is copy the HTML that we'll have in the blog article. And in there, most of this is pretty similar to what the other people have walked through, where you've got an event called the HubSpot Form Success, and you pass back the ID of the form. The thing that we've added here is this data piece, and what this will do is pull back the event data from within the form and allow you to access that within Google Tag Manager and send it back to GA4. You can also send it back to other marketing tags as well. So we'll walk through how that works. So first, you'll copy this code in here, and you'll put it on all of your pages. And in here, we've already got our preview set up. So let's go ahead and fill in a form. So it's pre-filled here. Let's just change something. We'll change the company name to Trionia 143, and then we'll go ahead and submit this form. So now the form has been submitted, and in here we'll see our HubSpot form success. So this is one of the really cool things in here. So this event fires, and then our data will be in the data layer at that point. So we'll go ahead and select that event, and then go and look at our data layer at that point. And you can see a lot of additional information in here, but this is the part that's really useful. This is the ID of our form. This is the type and event name, and you'll notice in our code we actually were looking for that. And then here are the submission values. This HS_context isn't too useful, but notice all the way down here we have our email, first name, last name, company. Notice how the company does reflect what we input, and our message as well. And so if we want to capture, say, the company name as a variable in Google Tag Manager, what we'll want to do is look at the pieces in the data layer that lead to it, and it'll be data.data.submissionvalues.company. And if we have a data layer variable with those attributes, we'll be able to pull it out. So let's go in and take a look at our variables. And we've already defined one, so I'll show you what it will look like. So in here, and we'll zoom in by this one here. So this is our data.data.submissionvalues.company. And so that's how you can find your information. And so if we go back again to our preview mode, we can take a look at our variables and scroll down to our data layer and see that our Trionia 143 came through here. So we can pass that back in a tag. And let's walk through how we did that. So we'll go back to Google Tag Manager, go to our tags, we'll sort by edit since we've got the most recent things, and we've got a GA4 HubSpot form conversion that we're going to send back. It's a GA4 event, and what we'll do is use the built-in generate_lead event name that GA4 is expecting. And then we've added another event parameter. Remember, you've got to update your GA4 with the custom parameter for this to work, and our value will be sent back here. So again, let's go back to our preview mode and go back in here, and select our tags, and there is our GA4 event. We'll open it up, and sure enough, it's a generate lead, and here's our form parameter with the parameter value of Trionia 143. So you can go through, and any of the form data that's available at that point, so in the submission values, you'll be able to send back to GA4 or any other marketing tag for that matter. One thing that I do want to warn you about, you want to make sure you don't send any PII, personally identifiable information, in your GA4 in particular, but most of your marketing tags as well will be sensitive to that. But so this is a great way of passing back that additional information into your marketing tags and providing you with even better data than you already had. I hope you find this video helpful, and definitely if you want more videos like this, ask questions in the comments down below. Thank you very much and have a great day.